Hey everyone, this is Brian from Vance Hines, and thank you for joining me on another FP4 tutorial, where today we're going to go over the Map Optimizations menu. So on the main menu, go ahead and select Optimizations, and it will bring up a list of all of the modifications that can be made to customize the ride and experience of your motorcycle. We'll start off with throttle percussivity, where you have options to change everything from race 1-to-1 mode all the way down to standard plus. Now, on a twin cam, I tend to recommend the aggressive setting, and for Milwaukee 8s, I recommend either leaving it stock as it's close enough to 1-to-1, or go full race 1-to-1. If you have an RDRS enabled bike, you will see a pop-up that essentially says you're close enough to 1-to-1, that for safety's sake, we're not going to allow any changes. Next up, we have decel pop. You have options 1 through 3 firecrackers. The higher level you go, the less popping there will be. Start with level 1, and if that doesn't eliminate the popping, move on up. Idle RPM changes the feeling of your idle based upon time and temperature. And then we have Rev Limit, which is adjustable upward. Don't go too high, obviously, as this can cause motor damage. But, right now we're going to go ahead and adjust it to 6200. I can go up by 100, I can go down by 100, or you can manually enter in the value. Last but not least, we have the speed limiter. Switch it to off to disable it. And at this point, you'll need to flash the changes into the vehicle or nothing will be saved. It'll essentially be lost. So make sure you hit the lightning bolt in the upper right-hand corner of the map optimizations menu. Follow the on-screen prompts. And that's it. Thank you all for joining me on another FP4 tutorial. And we'll see y'all on the next video.